Hey there, it's Chris with Clean Streak Pressure Washing. We are on another job site here in Clearwater, Florida. We will be doing a pool cage and a pool deck for this client today. Let me get the camera turned around so you can see what we're working with. So for today's client, we have some pavers here outside of the pool deck area. As you can see, there's a lot of mildew and algae staining all over these areas. We are going to go ahead and get those pre-treated. As you can see, they've already done the weed killer. So at the end, we will be running the turbo nozzle on here to get rid of all of the dead weeds. As we continue on inside the pool deck area, here you can see all of the algae on the pavers. It's all along the coping. And of course, we will be doing their cage as well. So we do have some loose paint, and there is some oxidation on the aluminum as well. So we're gonna start out, downstream some chlorine over everything. Try to kill off as much of this algae as we can. Here, I'll get you down where you can see it better on the coping. And another view of the cage as well. Got some areas where the screen is torn. See it hanging right there. If you look across to the coping over there, you can see we have more of the algae like you see here. So we're going to do what we can with that. Stick around. All right, it is 9:01 and we are just getting started.